It's not chai, it's a whole ritual in itself. Grab a pestle and mortar and add all the whole spices, cardamom pods, cloves, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, and a little bit of cinnamon. Crush all the spices and set aside. Add sugar to a pot and caramelize for extra flavor. Pour water and stir. Look at that color already. Add the spices and tea leaves and then peel some ginger. Use a spoon, slice it up and add to the pot. Bring it to a boil and then add some whole milk, less or more, adjust to your liking. Boil for a couple of minutes and then sieve the tea to serve. Pair it up with NuVita Digestive Biscuits. Dip and enjoy. Don't you just hate it when this happens? Anyway, let's take a sip.